What's up, everybody? Today we are going to be rebuilding the line beside the butter line. It is a little dark, so we're just going to get some lights out soon. But yeah, we're going to be rebuilding that. It's just it's an 18-foot double, just a trick jump. It's been collapsing a lot every time we rebuild it. But yeah, we're going to try to rebuild it. In case you guys been wondering, I am actually using the Insta360 Go 3S. I've been having some good success with it. I really like the graphics, and I would definitely consider getting this for your first camera because they're not that expensive, and for the price, they are literally probably the best you can get other than GoPro. But yeah, we're gonna go rebuild that, and let's get to it. Okay, got all the dirt built up. We got the dirt from the bottom of the lip onto the top, so it's gonna be steeper now. But yeah, that's where I was getting all my dirt, right here from the bottom of the lip. And I was putting it all at the top. And we're gonna build up this side right here. We're gonna build up this side right here. This is the main spot that it collapses on. Build it up, make it steeper, build this back side up, throw all the dirt on the top that's right here that fell down. And then yeah, we're gonna do that, and then after that we're gonna form it. For right now, we're gonna pack the sides to build them up, and this side also. So we're gonna get that dirt and throw it up. Yeah, let's go.
Myself stop listening to you. I'm gonna stop following my heart and do whatever I want to. Think you know me, you think you know me, but you don't. You think I'll follow you, you think I'll follow you, but I know I won't.
Some people don't even really care. New trends got everybody flipping. Tell me how you there.
Okay, guys, we are done. It is really dark right now, and my back is broken from packing this thing in. The dirt was just so perfect today. It was packing in the second I touched it. But yeah, it is so solid right now. Probably the most solid I've ever gotten it. Got the sides all built up. This thing is literally shining in the light. Hold on, I'm gonna turn this. Yeah. The lip is super curved. Nice and steep. It's about, I want to say 75 degrees. Not bad for a trick jump. Got the landing over there. Like I said in past videos, the landing will not be redone because it's not broken. If anything, we're just gonna rake it and stuff like that, and then we'll just hit it. But yeah, sick jump. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. We will be doing a couple more rebuild videos. Yeah, this one was one of the more tough ones because it has fallen apart a lot more just because it's way steeper and way taller. It's way harder to get those curves to stay upright. Yeah, but we're gonna do a couple more rebuild videos. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like the content I've been releasing. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next